My name is John Hackstead with Silver Seas Yachts. I'm here in beautiful Anacortes, Washington on a gorgeous 40-foot Selene Trawler. And she is a Brokerage yacht. This is going to be a one-take walkthrough video. All right, here we go with our one-take walkthrough video. Start with an exterior and then we will work our way to the inside. So looking up, there's new canvas enclosure, custom stainless supports for the kayaks. Great ground tackle setup. Again, this is a serious cruising boat. So this has all been done in the last couple years. This is a Seawise davit system, hydraulic electric. So with the touch of the button, this tilts up or tilts down. Very easy access, and it only takes a little bit extra room in terms of LOA. It is a really nice system for retrieving and lowering the dinghy. Okay, we'll go ahead and step on board. Easy boarding through the side door here. Very wide side decks. Easy to get around the boat. These side rails, as I'm standing here, are above hip height. Very secure. Doors to either side, so there's an entrance door on this side. We'll see that from the inside. They don't take up much room in the walkway. They come in kind of a floating sliding door. So storage in the bench here, and then access to the lazarette through here. So molded in stairs going up to the flybridge. This is a boat deck as well. You could put your dinghy here. The seller decided to be much more useful and get a bigger dinghy off the stern. L-shaped settee, nice place to have a meal, sundowners. 2 helm seats up top. And then I'm standing right at the helm. There's the visibility, and I'll do a 360 pan. Really clear. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but just the vinyl is in really nice shape. More of the rollaway vinyl on the sides. And then the thicker windows up front. Crystal clear. Okay. So there is a transom door. And then on the swim step, you can see there's an additional staple So really secure even as you leave the boat to go to your tender. All right, let's go ahead and go inside. Okay, as you look in, give you a sense of the room, and we'll talk about some specifics. I do have one side shades drawn down because of the sun coming in, but you can see that there are bright windows all the way around. Beautiful woodwork. So, we'll kind of do a tour of the galley. First, lower cabinet, and then a stand-up fridge. Nice drawers. All of them seal, lock shut. And then lots of overhead cabinets as well. So very efficient galley. And then you got 3-burner Force 10 propane cooking. Chart table, an additional, you could use this as an extension of the galley for storage of large bowls. Built-in TV. Give you a view of this. And then this is on a slider as well and can open up, and there's a leaf built in. So it really gives you some options for your seating. So just aft of the fridge, the other door we saw. And then here, folding back, is the microwave. Give you a slow pan from here. Okay, let's look at the helm. It's a large Simrad electronics, bow and stern thrusters. This is a single engine. This is the 5.9 Cummins, 230 horsepower. Now that Cummins can go all the way up, I believe, to 480 horsepower. So what they've got it for is in a trawler like this, it's just meant for continuous operation. Should be a very, very long life on this this type of application. It's not a situation where they're squeezing every bit of energy, power that they can out of the engine. So as you go down, the AC and DC panel, nice forward stateroom, long bunks, V-berth. And then right here is guest stateroom head with shower. So it is a draining floor. Call it a wet head. Take a look at the woodwork, the floors. All right, working our way aft. Now this is one of the great things. This is a 40-foot boat, and this is the size and caliber of the master stateroom you'd see on some 55, 60-foot boats. The aft cabin trawler, it's a proven design, and one of the huge benefits to a trawler like this is such a comfortable master stateroom. So I'll point out storage. On this side, storage as well. So on this side is the head, Tecma. And right here Large hanging closet. And just underneath that is call it a Splendide washer dryer combo. Now this is a really cool room. So as we look at it, it is the walk-in shower. Okay. And then it also doubles as the hallway to, I hope you're ready for it, this is one of the finest engine rooms you'll ever see on a boat of this size. Take a look at this. It is bright. It is clean. Everything is accessible. Northern Lights generator. And then there is also a separate hatch leads up into the galley you could use as well. But most of the time you're going to be accessing from that entrance from the master stateroom. So you can go all the way around the engine. Verso oil change system, fuel polishing, fuel filters. And right here's the tool chest. And then your water maker components. Well, thanks so much for taking a look. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call or text at 360-661-1682, and look forward to seeing you out on the water. Thanks.